This is a limited time free widener plugin from Karani Sounds. Its name is Vapor Dimension. It has 3 modes that we will check each and every one of them. We have modulation intensity here and drive it with this random that does not work for me. I don't know how it works. I'm pressing it but it's not responding. Anywho, this is on vocal and let's get started. I will set this drive it knob on almost 50% to be able to hear what happens here, and I will change modulation while we listen to the vocal.
Right there, almost got you in my heart's peripheral.
We have a reverb here. Let's disable that or not. It won't make a problem, but I want to have the raw audio here.
Hold me tight, close, close, closer to your kissable. Got you in my. Hold me tight, close, close, closer to your kissable. Got you in my heart.
Let's decrease this drive it.
Hold me tight, close, close, closer to your kissable. Got you in my heart's peripheral. Hold me tight, close, close, closer to your kissable. Got you in my heart.
It's almost unfeelable, unsensible how much it's wider, but it is wider. Some effects work really musical and keep the audio material as it should be, as the way it is. This effect is doing that.
Hold me tight, close, close, closer to your kissable. Got you in my heart's peripheral.
Okay, the third one.
Hold me tight, close, close, closer to your kissable. Got you in my heart's.
It is a little bit hard to hear the difference between these types, so I'm increasing drive it and modulation. Nothing is changeable here, or it is not. Then why it turns to a hand? Weird plugins, weird indeed. So let's check.
Hold me tight, close, close, closer to your kissable. Got you in my. Hold me tight, close, close, closer to your. Hold me tight, close, close, closer to your. Hold me tight, close, close, closer to your kissable.
As we move to other types, other modes to the right, the chorus effect increases and we can hear more audio movement on this sound field. If you want intense chorus like doubling effect, you should start on this third mode or second mode. If you want something subtle, you should start from the first mode.
Hold me tight, close, close, closer to your kissable. Got you in my heart's. Hold me tight, close, close, closer to your kissable. Got you in my heart's peripheral.
Nothing works here. What is going on? I don't know.
Hold me tight, close, close, closer to your kissable. Got you in my heart's peripheral. Hold me tight, close, close, close.
So let's go on complete width.
Hold me tight, close, close, closer to your kissable. Got you in my heart's peripheral.
It is more intense as you turn to right and more subtle as you turn to left.
Hold me tight, close, close, closer to your kissable. Got you in my heart. Hold me tight, close, close, closer to your kissable. Got you in my heart's peripheral.
It's so natural when you are using it on width mode with maximum engagement and max modulation value. This is how a stereolyzer works natural. It is how and the only way it should work natural that this plugin is.
hold me tight. Close, close, closer to your kissable. Got you in my heart's peripheral. Hold me tight. Close, close, closer to your kissable. Got.
It is perfect doubling effect, and it has all the natural qualities that you might need, that you might want. Someone like me wants the plugin to work as natural as it could, because I don't want to hear some weird effects when I'm using a widener plugin. I have loaded a widener plugin. I don't want to hear something different. I want to hear widening and widening effect. This plugin is doing that. It could have been called a doubler effect too, because it has a perfect doubling quality. It's not just widening audio. This audio was mono, but we are hearing a stereo, a perfect stereo. So it could have been called doubler too, but it is widener. I have not named it, so that's cool. And as I mentioned, it is the closest and the best thing that you could expect from a doubler to deliver a perfect stereolized audio field, sound field, audio material to you, and it will work fine on guitars, on vocals. As you can hear, I have only one vocal now. I have a doubled vocal on pianos, on whatever you want to be creative on. That's it. I hope it was useful and informative. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more.